much.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome very much. Thanks for shaking my hand.
Betty, can't you not be my chance? For 296, be nice to me. I blow the fire.
Oh, yeah? Cool.
You try it? Hot! Here's one.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. You blew up the fire? Good job, you superhero, you.
I can't be this way for too longer.
Yay!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome very much. Thank you very much. You're very entertaining. Okay. Latino's shaking my hand. Thank you.
Welcome. You want to with me?
I want to hear you sing.
And you want to sing with me?
Sing Justin Bieber.
Like, baby, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Yeah, you want to play with me?
Yeah, I'm your cameraman.
Baby, baby, baby. Oh, baby, I thought you would be my girl. Baby, oh, baby, oh, like baby, 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 oh.
Yay!
Man, I think you gotta go on YouTube. You might get a chance with American Idol, young lady.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome very
Thank
much.
you
You're welcome very much. You're welcome. You're welcome.
You want to kiss me?
Okay, I want to kiss the superstar. You want to kiss me? Hello.
Oh, Lily, an American Idol, huh?
Hello, little charmer.
Yeah.
Okay. Like, what's your name?
6, 7, 18.
That's the numbers. Your name, please?
7,
Nelly.
9.
How old are you? 3.
6.
You're not 6. You're 3. Say I turned 3 August 20th, 2007. You the home? You going home?
Huh?
You the home girl or you going home, girl? Huh?
I'm going home.
Where's your home?
My home's right here.
Oh yeah.
You want to go to my house?
I am in your house.
Okay.
What are you doing, you crazy woman? Another song, please. Ow, 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 ow.
I cut you.
No, 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 that's not good. Give me that. Give me that.
Give me
freaking
that.
thing. Hey, where'd you go? Hey, turning off the camera. Bye-bye, camera.
Are you here?
Oh, hello. And that's your artwork on the wall.
On the wall.
That's
on
your
the
legendary marks, huh, baby? Don't write on the wall again.
wall. What?
Don't write on the wall again.
I'm going to jump in the water.
You can jump in the water.
Uh-huh.
Okay, have fun. What a nice basket of water. Okay, looking off.
Go, go.
What? Where are you going?
In the water.
In the water? In the ocean?
I'm going to go guard a fish.
Oh, okay. Good luck. See you later. Bye-bye, Birdie.